Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a JigsawSudoku, aka Tectonic, in Dutch, they call it cipher block, in Japanese, Suguru. In the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, September the 11th, 2024, 9/11, yes. And I've already solved 3 puzzles, the 3 stars, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. It's time now for the JigsawSudoku number. This will be number 9258. 9258. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 printed digits. That's a lot. Because this is indicated with 4 stars. For 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. Well, the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 14. Don't think it's a 4 stars puzzle, but we will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here's single box, there's single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see only 1 dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? Let me see. No triple boxes here. How about quadra boxes? I see here 1 quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. No 5s. Well, these 3 boxes, surround the 3 can be 3. So 1 box left for 3 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Yeah, 3. Okay. Do we have more quadra boxes in this puzzle? No quadra boxes here. Well, then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this Z or the S construction. Yeah, let me draw this here. When you see the S construction or the Z construction, if you flip this, you will get the Z or mirror this, yes. When you see the S construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box is the same number as this box. Okay. The S construction. Then the following shape, we have only 1 S construction. Following shape, how about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape. This upside down, the T shape. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box, okay? In this case, it's a 1 here. More T-shapes? No. Oh! Overlook this S construction. It's rotated. Yeah! I thought it was only 1. Okay, this box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. Okay, let me double check. No. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? Well, let me draw this shape first. Yeah. Let me draw this first. Yeah. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Here another one. Upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? Here, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Alright, we have 2 shapes left. I see the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's the 1 or a 2 here. It's also connected with that box, will be a 1 and a 2, okay. More L shapes? Nope. Then the final shape, this shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is, why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those and numbers. So let's get started filling those and numbers. These 3 boxes. Surround one can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. Is connected with that box. So 1. Then let me see. Well. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Well, we have a double 1 here and a double 2 here. Let me think first. 1 and 2, okay. Yeah. This box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Complicated. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Oh, wait. These 2 boxes can be 3. That box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright, this box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1 or a 2. We have a double 1 there, double 2 there. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this L-shaped area are the numbers 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes and there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So the only place level 3 should be here then. Okay. Then let me think. Well. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be a 5. That box can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area is supposed to be here. Come on. 1. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be a 1. Should be a 2. Can be 3. Can be 4. We have a 4 in the same area. Can be a 5. Yes, definitely 2 is connected. Oh, so is connected with that box. Should be so 2. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. So 1 is left in this area for number 1 is connected with that box. Should be so 1. So this can be 1 and more. 2 numbers left in this S construction for numbers 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5, we have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 3 goes there. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Need a 4 here. These 2 boxes can be 5, so that box can be a 5, so 1 box left of the 5 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Interesting. Come on. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. That box can be a 3. We have a double 3 over here. So the 3 goes together with the 5 as a pair. So the other pair in this area are the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Well, complicated. I think this box will be a 3 because it can be 1. Can be 2? We have a double 2 there. Should be a 3. Can be 4? We have a double 4 there. Can be a 5? Yes, definitely a 3 here. Okay. Now, need to wait. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. That box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Okay. I need a lot of markings in this puzzle. A lot of markings. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1. We have a double 1 here. Can be 2. We have a double 2 there. Can be a 3. Should be a 4. Can be a 5. We have a 5 in the same area. Yes, definitely a 4. And it's connected with that box. Should be also 4. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5. Well, I cannot place the 1 there because we have a double 1 here. That means this box should be a 5 and that box should be a 1 then. Alright, now let me think. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4 is connected with that box, so 2 and 4. These 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. This box can be 5, that box can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Let me mark those. 3 and 4. Then let me see. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Yeah, I'm thinking. 1 and a 2. I need a 3 here in this S construction. Well, this box can be a 3, so 1 box left of 3 in this S construction should be here. So the 1 and a 2 are left as a pair. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. I need a 1 and a 2 here. I think this box should be a 1 because give me 2, give me 3, give me 4, give me 5. Yes, definitely a 1. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. 1 or a 2, we have a 2 now, so this box should be a 1. Is connected with that box, should be so 1. Is also connected with that box, should be so 1. 1 digit left in this S construction for number 2. 1 box left in this dual box for number 2. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 2. This box can be a 2. And this box can be a 1. So 1 digit left in this quarter box for number 4 then. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this quarter box for number 2 is connected with that box, so 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Okay. Then I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1. We have a 1 now, so this can't be 1 anymore. So 1 digit left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. Is connected with that box, so 4. 1 box left in this area for number 2. Alright. 3 and 4. These 2 boxes can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this T-shaped area. It's supposed to be here. This box can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. This box can be 5. We have a double 5 there. So the 5 could be here. Could be there. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. I need a 2 here. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left, 1 numbers 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. Well, we have a double 4 there. That means that this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. This box should be a 2. 4 and a 5. We have 4 now. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because can be 1, can be 2. Should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. Then, let me see. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5 is connected with that box, should be so 5. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Well, is also connected with that box. 3 and 4. Well, we have a 3 in this area, so it can be 3 and more. This box will be a 4 then. Is connected with that box, will be so 4. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 3. 1 box left in this area for number 2. 3 and 5. We have 5 now. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 and 4. Need to wait. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 now, so this can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, so 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 4. Well, I cannot place the 4 there because we have a double 4 there. So the 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 3 and 4, we have 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. We go down. Okay, 3 and 4. Cannot fill this yet. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have 1 now, so this can be 1 anymore. That box should be 1. And I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes here. 1 digit left in this area for number 2. 3 and 4, we have 4 now. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes. And there, finish in 18 minutes. Well. Complicated. But we solve it again. Not the 4, not the 3. Let me give this 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. Well, I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. So have a great and fantastic Wednesday. We will meet again tomorrow on Thursday. Until then, bye-bye for now.